friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we can discuss the question number 2 of exercise 2.4 from the chapter polynomials. Okay, the question is, find a cubic polynomial with the sum of the product of its zeros and the product of its zeros are 2, -7 and -14 respectively. That is, we have to find a cubic polynomial, and the given hints are the sum of its zeros is 2 and the sum of the product of its zeros is -7 and the product of its zeros is -14. Okay, these are the hints, and with these hints we have to find the cubic polynomial. Okay, so in general we can write a cubic polynomial as p of x equal to ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d. Okay, and we can take its zeros as alpha, beta and gamma. So from the question we have the sum of the zeros, that is alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 2, and next we have the sum of the product of its zeros, that is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to -7, and the product of the zeros, that is alpha beta gamma is equal to -14. So we have already a relationship between the zeros and the coefficients of the cubic polynomial, as the sum of its zeros will be equal to minus of coefficient of x squared by coefficient of x cubed, and the sum of its product of the zeros will be equal to coefficient of x by coefficient of x cubed, and the product of the zeros will be equal to minus of constant term dividing by the coefficient of x cubed. So with these hints, by comparing this relationship between these coefficients and the zeros, we can find each coefficients, and thus we can find the cubic polynomial. Okay, so we are going to find the sum of the zeros. We have the relationship that sum of the zeros is equal to minus of coefficient of x squared by coefficient of x cubed, that is equal to minus b by a, and here we have in the question given as this is equal to 2, so it can be written as 2 by 1. So from this we get that minus b is equal to 2, that means b is equal to -2. Okay, so a is equal to 1. Next hint is the sum of the product of the zeros, and we have the relation that it is equal to coefficient of x by coefficient of x cubed equal to c by a, and in the from the question we have the hint that it is equal to -7, so it can be written as -7 by 1. Okay, and from this we get that the c is equal to -7 and a is equal to 1. And next relation is the product of the zeros is equal to minus of the constant term dividing by the coefficient of x cubed, and that is equal to minus d by a, and from the question we have given that the product of the zeros is equal to -14, so we are writing it as -14 by 1, and from this we get that minus d is equal to -14, that means d is equal to 40 and a is 1. Okay, thus we find out that the coefficients of x cubed, coefficient of x squared, coefficient of x and the constant term, that is the coefficient of x cubed a is equal to 1 and the coefficient of x squared b is equal to -2 and the coefficient of x c is equal to -7 and the constant term d is equal to 40. So we can substitute this and we can find the cubic polynomial as x cubed minus 2x squared minus 7x plus 40. Okay, that's all for today. We can discuss the next question in the next video. If you like this channel, please don't forget to subscribe the channel and share with your friends. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.